Good evening guys and welcome to today's video where I'm taking a look at the Edexcel AS level core 1 indices and Surds worksheet. So it's aimed at A-level maths for students that are in year 12 and year 13 for Edexcel, but it's appropriate for all examples for AQA, OCR MEI and the other like A-level examples and the international examples. Right guys, this video was recorded on Monday the 10th of May 2021. Right guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Abdallah Wahishi and I'm a recently qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary maths. My channel is predominantly for GCE students and A-level students. Okay, for like those of you doing GCE higher tier and foundation for all examples. Okay, if you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, press the like button, and also comment below if you've got any questions or queries or any topic requests, guys. Okay, and please feel free to obviously spread the word, guys, and share my videos with anyone that might find this channel helpful for GCSEs or A-level maths. Right, guys, question 1. Okay, simplify. Sorry. 3 root 7 all squared. Well, squared means multiply by itself. So I've got 3 root 7 times 3 root 7. Now the rules of surds are, okay, so 3 times 3 is 9. Root 7 times root 7 gives us 7. Okay, so root 7 times root 7 is root 49, which gives us 7. 9 times 7 is 63. So the answer to question 1A is 63, and it is worth 1 mark, guys. So when you see these little marks in the brackets, it is the number of marks the question is worth. So it's 1 mark. Part B, it says expand this bracket, okay, so it is a surds bracket, so it is a double bracket, so everything in here is being times by everything in here. So 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times negative root 5 is minus 8 root 5, 2 times 5 is 2 root 5, and root 5, positive root 5 times negative root 5 is just minus 5. Positive root 5 times, so a positive times a negative is a negative. Root 5 times root 5 is root 25, which is 5. So it is going to be a minus 5 there because it's a positive times a negative. Right, simplifying this, guys, 16 minus 5 is 11. 8 minus 8 root 2 plus, 8 root 5 plus 2 root 5 is minus 6 root 5. So my answer is 11 minus 6 root 5. Right, guys, question 22 actually. So it says write 32 root 2 as 2 to the power of a, where a is a number. So 32 is written as 2 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And 16 times 2 is 35. So 32 equals 2 to the power of 5. Root 2 is written as 2 to the power of a half. So square root obviously is written as power of a half. So I've got 32 times root 2. So it's 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of a half. So rules of indices say I'm going to add my powers. So it's 2 to the 5 over 2 or 11 over 2 or 5.5. So A equals 5.5, guys, or 5.5 or 11 over 2. Okay, question 3A. Work out 25 to the power of a third. Power of a third, it just means the cube root. So it's a cube root of 125, which is 5. So 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So the cube root is just working backwards. Okay, part B. 125 to the minus 2/3. Well, the minus means, so the minus is just the reciprocal. So it's 1 over 125 to the 2/3. Well, from part A, so it's going to be the cube root of 125, which is 5, and then I'm going to square my answer, so raise it to the power of the numerator. 1 over 5 squared is just 1 over 25, so my answer is 1 over 25. So the minus is sorry, I said that energy. So the minus is just the reciprocal. So it's 1 over 125 to the 2/3, which is 1 over the cube root of 125, which is 5, and then square my answer because it's power of 2. So it's 1 over 25, guys. And question 7 says work out 16 to the power of a quarter. A quarter is the 4th root. The 4th root of 16 is 2. So these questions are obviously require your knowledge and understanding for this square numbers, cube numbers, power of 4 numbers, easier, power of 5 and power of 10, and obviously working the roots. Okay, so guys, I hope that actually made sense. The PDF will be in the description below. Okay, for you to check out the worksheet. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you the next one. Okay, stay safe, and I'll catch you next one. Bye for now.